We are cleaning up so that we can walk. Yeah, life there.
Padan na mani uci.
Ôi. Mà thằng cái trời nó. Ôi tôi tao rồi.
Uci sadi na.
Ôi cái trời muốn ở rồi. I wish all my friends come so that I can show you the health room. See guys, hello, welcome, good evening. Just at this very moment it was raining and you know there was ice. It's full of ice. See, my goodness. See guys, it's full of ice. Wow. Aji panigurado sa mga ice man, giri siya ko live TV. Yeah, di ka na may Barbie. Oh my god, see guys, it's full of ice. All the roofs have covered with ice. It looks so beautiful. See, my goodness, see the roof. See the roof. Hey Jujang, good afternoon. Sabi Kohima do panigiri na ice you go. Hey, sabi do it's all covered up with ice. Aro tinahan do sabi do hey. Jujang, sabi do hey. Panigiri siya do Kohima do aro na ice board. Aro siya go like there. You won't believe. Sabi do. Hey, it's full of ice. My goodness, see, it's full of ice. See? Oh, it's very hot to move just there. Hey, देखो देखो. Guys, you know, it was full of ice. It was raining and full of ice. See, the drainage also is full of ice. We are cleaning up so that we can walk. My goodness. See guys, it was raining and full of ice. Our surrounding is covered with ice. So we're cleaning it up, okay? I remember pumpkin beer. Manoj, देखो ना pumpkin को अभी याद कर रहा है. Pumpkin, I really wanted to see the snow, but she used to walk out on the snow and just to show us, taking lots of trouble. I remember her now.